Oh wait, there's the queen right there.
There you go. You
There
spotted
she
her.
is.
There she is.
Thank you for all your good work, Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Keep laying.
That is our crazy queen too. It was the beginning of the first honey flow, and also the beginning of what I would call swarm season, which goes through pretty much till the end of June. It was time to look in on our other hives, as well as the drone laying hive that we had, and see what's going on.
Take these off?
Yeah, it's the best bet right now.
Oh God, the thing just went in my eye.
What's that? The smoke? Yeah, the problem with smoke is that they always find your face, no matter where I put it. So I don't think there's anything in these frames. I just need to put them somewhere where they'd be kept clean. But we're just going to check real fast and look at these frames and make sure that there's still nothing on them of importance. No. Wait. No. So when we dissolved that other hive, I needed to put the frames somewhere.
Right.
So I put them in here just so the bees would tend to them. And look at what they did in between that and the wall.
Huh.
So we'll clean that off after we get the bees out of here. I'm just going to smoke them down a bit.
Oh God. Here we go.
So I'll put that guy here. And I'll take the feeder screen off. Yeah, so go grab my inspection bar. This propolis is just brood.
Yep. In the queen cell.
Queen? Oh no, that's just a drone.
Oh, it is?
Oh, they stick straight out like that. That's just a drone.
Drone.
Yeah.
All right. Well, then we're good then.
I don't see any little circles of attendant bees, so I don't think the queen is here yet. Wow.
Wow, that's a lot of brood.
Wow. There we have
There we have a bunch.
a bunch of them. They're all cups. None of them are laid in. The key is always to make sure that the cups are empty.
What are those grody white slimy things in there?
Okay, that's drone brood larva that was in cells that they put between the two supers.
Oh.
So when you separate the supers like that,
This
you
is
tend
so gross.
to break those shells. The result, there's a young brood.
Here's a
Queen cell.
There's
Another
one.
queen cell.
Can I smash them?
Yeah. There's nothing in them. Again, good news. Fresh brood.
Fresh brood.
Ah, look at that. Look at that. There's a bee going in it. Let's see if there's anything in it.
Looks like a queen.
Nothing in it though. That's good. All right. Okay, we did this inspection. Because they're just they're at that point between now and June. You know what? There's a series of frames there. Just grab any one of them. I'm going to replace this frame and then re-staple it. Oh, you guys aren't going to be happy about this, but put that guy in the observation bar. We are on to the brood.
Yeah.
Well, there's a good mix. There's some drone brood in there, mainly worker brood. Well, let's look at the bottom of the frame. Yeah, look at that. It's a whole row of them. I don't think any of them are laid. But when they're facing down like that, more good brood. Yeah.
Lots of brood.
Yeah, I mean, I hope this is showing up on the video well, because that's the type of brood that you want to see in the spring. I'm happy with this hive. I think we can button them up and move on to the next. Just time for a quick reminder as usual. We're grateful to have you around. Please like and subscribe. We want to bring you this content and we want to show you what we're going through raising bees, but we need a little bit of your support in order for the message to get out there, in order for YouTube to propagate it.
Come on, like and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
All right, I think we're going to find brood on this one. Let's see.
Honey.
Oh, what do we have on the bottom here? Queen cells.
That's all
Solid
brood.
And when they're facing down, you don't have to worry about it.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Brood and queen cups.
Quite a bit of them.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh wow.
look at that brood.
That's a lot.
That's just beautiful. I'm not even seeing any troublemakers at the
No.
bottom. That's good. This hive in a couple of weeks, though, is going to be
Crazy.
Look. Another solid frame of brood.
Okay.
Now this hive, this is her crazy queen hive. The one that outlived 4 other colonies. Boy, it was worth keeping her. It was worth keeping her alive because she's just doing some fantastic work.
Is that a queen cell?
Yeah, it was a queen cell. Wasn't laid in.
Oh wait, there's the queen right there.
There you go. You
There
spotted
she
her.
is.
There she is. Let's see if we can get her.
Thank you for all your good work, Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Keep laying.
That is our crazy queen too. I recognize that abdomen. We had her in the house last year. Yeah, be very careful with this frame. Squishing of royalty. You always want to keep any frames that have brood on them as close to the center of the hive as possible.
Right.
Because it still gets a little cool at night. And I think these guys need a little smoke. Now, since we still have cool nights, I haven't put the vents and the inner covers on the top. I'm actually just putting the cover flat on. Not recommended for the long term, but for the weather that comes and goes like this does, it actually works out pretty good. There's a problem here.
What? We're falling all over
Besides
each
the
other.
tripping bee, and
Can I take these out?
you can take them out, yes. And we have to reconfigure this guy a little bit. I think I need to get another feeder frame over here. Because this one doesn't have a feeder frame. Yeah. Perfect. So we're going to set this on top of this hive right here. So these frames had brood on them. What I'm looking for is to see if there's any possibility of eggs.
Excuse me.
But what I don't know is whether these are old
Old or not?
or not. But I'm seeing what looks like very young larvae, so I think our queen survived. Yeah, that's good. So I don't want. So when you do a combine like this, we had a drone laying queen and a fertile queen, and the concern is that the drone laying queen would be the one that kills off the fertile queen, and our hope was that the fertile queen would kill off the drone laying queen. All this paper that we used during the combine. You're still covered in bees, by the way, on your back.
So what I was doing now is I was taking the frames that had the brood on it, and hopefully our fertile queen as well, and moving them down into the super that was directly above the main brood box, and in turn moving the empty frames up to the storage super. I call it a storage super because you want to keep the frames on a hive so that they're being protected from wax moths and what have you. And we're using this upper box anyhow as a feeder box, so we'll store some empty frames up there, and then when we use them later in this year, we'll put them to purpose. So that's a wrap for today. See you in the next episode.